Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Let's review Valliappa Foundation. They are situated in Chennai, Bangalore, Salem, Trichy, and Coimbatore. And they are offering medical coding course, and the course duration is for 3 months. Okay, they offer 100% placement assistance, also real world chart scenarios they are giving. Why choose our medical coding course? In this, they provide 100% placement assistance with mock interviews. So they are providing mock interviews, which is important and obviously will help you in your medical coding exam. Also resume workshops they have, and real world projects they are making you do. Also real world projects they are giving using RCM tools. So this is a plus point. Okay, if we talk about the curriculum, they have anatomy, psychology, ICD 10CM. This is the main coding system. So this will help you. Also coding compliance. HIPIX is also there, CPT coding. HIPIX coding, एक minute. Also CPT and HIPIX coding is there. So these are the important topics to be covered to be a medical coder. But they are not covering AI, which is the most advanced topic to be covered to be a medical coder. So this is a disadvantage. Okay, we have already talked about mock exams. They are making you prepare for AEPC style mock exams, which will be helpful for you in your medical coding exam. Okay, here they have listed the numbers. You can check it out. Placement rate is there. Okay, so this was it. They haven't mentioned anything else. They have curriculum which is aligned with APC. The curriculum is good, but they are not covering AI, which should be covered in any medical coding institute because AI is the advanced topic now. Now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. For accreditation and recognition, they are aligned with APC, so I would give this one. Updated and comprehensive curriculum, they have a well-designed curriculum, but AI part is missing. So for that, I would deduct 0.5 marks, so I would give 0.5. Qualified and experienced instructors, they are not talking anything about this, so I would give this 0. Practical training and case studies, real world practical projects they are giving using RCM tools, so this is a plus point, so I will give this 1. Certification exam preparation support, nothing was mentioned about this, so I would give this 0. 100% placement assistance they have mentioned, so I would give this a 0.7. Access to updated coding books and software, they haven't mentioned this, so I would give this 0. Flexible learning options online and offline. Okay, the mode of training they have is only offline, so I would give this 0.5. Student reviews and success rate, it is there, you may check it out by yourself, so I would give this 0.7. Course fees, duration and payment option. Duration is for 3 months. Course fees is not mentioned, neither payment option, so I would give this 0.3. So the overall ranking we have here is just 4.7. And if we talk about the course is good. But some things they haven't mentioned, like the books part. Also, they don't have online learning. Also, they are not talking about the experienced instructors. So as per me, you may go through this course, you may check that out. And also, I have mentioned one of the best institute links in the description. You may check that also. That institute covers all these parameters and gives you 100% placement guarantee. So do check that out. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching.